we want to find the mean for the frequency distribution below. You should pay careful attention here and practice this regularly, as it is often tested and examined. Think about what a frequency distribution means. This means that there are 5 pieces of data which are 0. So if we didn't have the data in a table, it would start with 5 zeros. Then we'd have 7 ones, 12 twos, and so on. When working out the mean, we need to add up the pieces of data. Adding the 5 zeros gives us 0, the same as if we did 5 times 0. Adding the 7 ones would give us 7, the same as if we did 7 times 1. So we could do 5 times 0, 7 times 1, 12 times 2, and so on in the table, and this would give us the sum of the data. So we have 5 times 0, which is 0. 7 times 1 is 7. 12 times 2 is 24. 10 times 3 is 30. 4 times 4 is 16. And 2 times 5 is 10. Adding this column up gives us 87. This is the sum of the data. In other words, this is what we get if we add up all the pieces of data. This needs to be divided by the number of pieces of data, and to get that we add the frequency column. 5 and 7 is 12, add 12 is 24, add 10 is 34, add 4 is 38, add 2 is 40. So all in all, we have 40 pieces of data. The mean then is going to be the sum of the data, which is 87, divided by the number of pieces of data, which is 40. Calculating this gives 2.175 as the mean for the data.